Unraveling, using a drone pitch, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a unique phrase that might have puzzled you: using a drone pitch. It's not about flying drones, but rather a linguistic and musical concept that can enrich your understanding of English. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. First, let's break down the phrase. A drone, in music, refers to a continuous, low, monotonous sound or note. It's a sound that remains constant, underpinning the melody without changing pitch or tone. But, how does this musical term translate into everyday English, especially in the context of communication or speech? Moving on, pitch, in this context, doesn't refer to the height or depth of a sound, as it does in music. Instead, it relates to the way we present ideas or sell something. A pitch is a presentation or a speech that aims to persuade or influence others. It's about convincing someone of the value of an idea, a product, or a service. So, when we talk about using a drone pitch, we're referring to a style of speaking or presenting that is monotonous and unchanging in tone. Imagine someone trying to persuade you without varying their voice, showing no enthusiasm, or failing to engage with the audience. It's a pitch that lacks the ups and downs that can capture attention or convey passion. Understanding and avoiding a drone pitch is crucial for effective communication. Whether you're giving a presentation, making a sales pitch, or simply telling a story, varying your tone keeps your audience engaged. It helps to highlight important points and convey your emotions or enthusiasm for the subject. A dynamic pitch can be the difference between captivating your audience and losing their interest. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning of using a drone pitch. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of tone and engagement in communication. Remember, the way you present your ideas can be just as important as the ideas themselves. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to vary your pitch to make your speech more engaging. See you in the next video.